Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Pallavi Maths Up. In this session, I'm going to discuss about Class 10, Chapter 1, Arithmetic Progression, Exercise 1.2. In previous exercise, I discussed Exercise 1.2 from question number 1 to 3. In this video, I'm discussing question number 4 to 10. Question number 4. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 continues up to 78? Here, which term means n is equals to question mark. The given the question 3, 8, 13, 18 continues up to 78. So first term, this one is A1, A2, A3, A4 continues up to last term is AN. Write down first term A is equals to A1 is equals to 3. D is equals to A2 minus A1. A2 is 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. And AN last term is 78. We know the formula AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. The value of AN is 78 is equals to the value of A is 3 plus N. You need to find out the value of N, right? As it is N minus 1 into D. D is 5. In next step, 78, this plus 3, take to left hand side, it will become minus 3 is equals to n minus 1 into 5. 78 minus 3 is 75 is equals to n minus 1 into 5. Next step, 75 divided by 5 is equals to n minus 1. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. You will get 15 is equals to n minus 1. You need to find out the value of n. So minus 1, again minus 1, take to left hand side, it will become plus 1 is equals to n. 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 is equals to n. Did you get the answer? Yes. Which term? 16th term is 78. Next, move on next sum. Fifth sum is find the number of terms in each of the following. Here two questions are there. Now I will discuss first question. 7, 13, 19 continues up to 205. Find the number of terms means n is equals to question mark. Okay. This one is first term A1, A2, A3 continues up to and last term is AN. First term A is equals to 7, D is equals to A2 minus A1, A2 is 13 minus 7. So 13 minus 7 is 6 and last term is AN. AN is equals to 205. Now find out the values of n. We know the formula AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 205 is equals to the value of A is 7 plus N minus 1 into D is 6. 205, again this 7, take to left hand side, it will become minus 7 is equals to N minus 1 into 6. 205 minus 7 is 198 is equals to n minus 1 into 6. You need to find out the value of n. So in next step 198 divided by 6. This one is into. When you take, it will comes to denominator. 198 divided by 6 is equals to n minus 1. Divide this one. 6 ones are 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. So 33 is equals to n minus 1. 33 minus 1. Take to left hand side. It will become plus 1 is equals to n. 33 plus 1 is 34 is equals to n. Then what is the value of n? N is equals to 34. This is the answer for first question. Now, second question. 18, 15 1 by 2, 13 continues up to minus 47. I'm writing here 18. Now it is in mixed fraction. Write it in proper fraction. 15 1 by 2. So what is the proper fraction? 15 twos are 30. 15 twos are 30 plus 1. 30 plus 1 is 31 by 2. Instead of 15 1 by 2, I will write 31 by 2, comma, 13 goes up to minus 47. A1, A2, A3, and last term is AN. Write down number of terms. Find the number of terms. Means n is equals to question mark. A is equals to first term 18. D is equals to A2 minus A1. A2 is 31 by 2 minus A1 is 18. Now take the LCM. 2 is the LCM. Here 31 minus 18 twos are 36. 31 minus 36 is minus 5 by 2. Yes, D value is minus 5 by 2 and AN is equals to minus 47. Yes, we know the formula AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. The value of AN is minus 47 is equals to the value of A is 18 plus N minus 1 into D value is minus 5 by 2. Okay. In next step, minus 47 plus 18, take to left hand side, it will become minus 18 is equals to N minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Minus 47 minus 18 minus 47 plus 18 is 65 is equals to N minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Next step, minus get cancelled. This one 5 by 2, cross multiply this one. So it will become 65 into 2 by 5. I'm taking this one to left hand side. So here into is there. Into it is there means it will become 2 by 5 is equals to N minus 1. Cancel this one. 5 ones are, 5 ones are, 5 threes are. Next 13 twos are 26 is equals to N minus 1. 26 minus 1. Take to left hand side, it will become plus 1 is equals to N. 26 plus 1 is 27. So what is the answer? N value is 27. I hope all of you understood this one. Next, sixth sum. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2 continuous up to infinity. But here, look here, check whether minus 150. Write down in standard form 11, 8, 5, 2 continuous up to minus 150. You need to find out, check whether minus 150 is a term. Okay. You need to find out the value of N. Okay. N is equals to question mark. Check whether, the given here, check whether. Check whether means if you get N is equals to natural numbers, N belongs to natural numbers, then minus 150 is a term. If you get N belongs to natural number, then minus 150 is a term. If N not belongs to natural numbers, then it is not a term. Okay. Natural numbers means, you know, 1, 2, 3 continuous up to infinity. If you get positive number, okay, it starts from 1, then it is called as natural number. If you get points 1.1, decimals, if you get decimals, then it is not a term. I hope understood this one clearly. Okay, here write down A1, A2, A3, A4 continuous up to AN. Write down A1 means which is equals to A is equals to 11. D is equals to A2 minus A1. A2 is 8 minus 11. 8 minus 11 which is equals to minus 3. Next, AN is equals to minus 150. Now first find out the value of N. We know the formula AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. The value of AN is minus 150 is equals to A is 11 plus N minus 1 into D value is minus 3 into here. Okay, into minus 3. Minus 150. I'm taking this 11 to left hand side. It will become minus 11 is equals to n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 150 minus 11 is minus 161. Okay, which is equals to n minus 1 into minus 3. So here, next step, minus 161 divided by minus 3 is equals to n minus 1. If you cancel this one, minus get cancelled. Okay, 3 ones are, 3 5s are, 3 3s are, 0.6 you will get. So 53.6 is equals to n minus 1. 53.6 plus 1, which is equals to n. So it will become 54.6 is equals to n. Here you will get n is equals to 54.6. N belongs to natural number? No, it is not belongs to natural number. Therefore, minus 150 is not a term. Is not a term. Is not a term. That's it. Okay. If you get n belongs to n, then it is a term. So here n not belongs to natural number. Therefore, minus 150 is not a term. I hope you understood this sum. Next sum, 7th sum. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73, sorry. And 31st, find 31st term. First write down the given thing. Given 11th term is 38. Means A11 is equals to 38. Next, A16 is equals to 73. Find. So find, you need to find A31st term. A31st is equals to question mark. Yes, we know the formula An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A31, the value of n is 31. But you don't know the value of A as well as value of D. Is it right? A is equals to question mark, D is equals to question mark. You need to find out the value of A and D by using these conditions. Okay. Write down here A11 is equals to 38. You know the formula An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. A11 is equals to A is question mark plus n is 11 minus 1 into D is also question mark. A11, the given the value of A11 is 38. 38 is equals to A plus 11 minus 1 is 10D. I call this as equation 1. Next, I am using this condition. A16 is equals to 73. So An is equals to formula already you know. A plus n minus 1 into D. An means A16. A16 is equals to the value of A is question mark plus n is 16 minus 1 into D. A16 is 73 is equals to A plus 16 minus 1 is 15D. Call this as equation 2. By using equation 1 and 2, find out the value of A and D. Okay. By equation 1 and 2, equation 1 is A plus 10D is equals to 38. And second equation is A plus 15D is equals to 73. Now, minus, minus, minus. Plus A minus A get cancelled. Okay. So here, 10 minus 15 is minus 5D, which is equals to 38 minus 73 is minus 35. Okay. Yes. Next step. D is equals to minus 35 divided by minus 5. Minus minus get cancelled. 5 ones are 5 sevens are. You will get d is equals to 7. Substitute d is equals to 7 in equation 1 or else in equation 2. Substitute d is equals to 7 in equation 1. I'm substituting in equation 1 or else you can substitute in equation 2 also. Equation 1 is 38 is equals to a plus 10d. Yes, you know the value of d. D is 7. Substitute here. 38 is equals to a plus 10 into 7. 38 is equals to a plus 10 sevens are 70. 38 minus 70 is equals to a, because you need to find out the value of a. So that's why plus 17 take to left hand side. 38 minus 70, which is minus 32, is equals to a. Yes, you got the value of a and d. So here a value is minus 32, d value is 7. Okay, a value is minus 32, d value is 7. Now find out a31. Okay. So a31 you need to find out. So an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. A31 is equals to a value is minus 32 plus n value is 31 minus 1 into d value is 7. Minus 32 plus 31 minus 1 is 30. 30 into 7. In next step, minus 32 plus 30 into 7 is 210. When you subtract this one, you will get 178. Then what is the value of A31? A31 is equals to 178. I hope all of you understood this one. Okay. I'll explain you once again. The given 11th term is 38. Means A11 is equals to 38. And 16th term, A16 is equals to 73. You need to find out the 31st term, A31 is equals to question mark. What is the formula? An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. But you know only the value of n because you need to find out the A31. So n is equals to 31. A is equals to question mark, d is equals to question mark. You don't know the value of a and d. How you will find out a and d? By using these two equations. Okay. Using these two equations, I find out the value of d as well as a. D is 7, a is minus 32. Now substitute to the equation, you will get A31 is 178. Next, 8th question. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and last term is 106. Find the 29th term. Here AP consists 50 terms. Okay. First, second, third, it will goes up to 50 terms. So what is the last term here? Last term is 50. Is it right? First write down. Third term is 12. A3 is equals to 12. And last term, observe here, instead of 50 terms, they mentioned last term. So which is the last term here? 50 is the last term. Write down A50 is equals to how much? Last term is 106. A50 is equals to 106. You need to find out A29. A29 is equals to question mark. Same like previous sum. Okay. So for n is equals to 29, you don't know the value of a, you don't know the value of d. How we will find out the value of a and d? By using this one. Okay. So write down A3. Instead of substituting all the formulas a plus n minus 1 into d, directly you can write A3 is equals to a plus 2d. How we will get 2d means You know the formula, an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. A3 is equals to a plus 3 minus 1 into d. So a plus 3 minus 1 is 2d. Yes. Look here, I skipped these two steps. Instead of all this, writing this, directly you can write a3 is equals to a plus 2d. I hope this one you understood how to write. So a3 is equals to a plus 2d. a3 is 12 is equals to a plus 2d. I call this as equation 1. Similarly, a50. a50 how you will write? a50 is equals to a plus 50 minus 1. 50 minus 1 is 49d. a50 they given 106 is equals to a plus 49d. Call this as equation 2. So by equation 1 and 2, find out the value of a and d. 12 is equals to a plus 2d. Next 106 is equals to a plus 49d. Next step, minus, minus, minus. Plus a minus a get cancelled. Here 106 minus 12 is 94. Minus 94 is equals to 2d minus 49d is minus 47d. Next step, d is equals to minus 94 divided by minus 47. Minus minus get cancelled. 47 2s are. You will get d is equals to 2. Now substitute d is equals to 2 in equation 1 or 2. Here I am substituting in equation 2. Okay. Substitute d is equals to 2 in equation 2. Substitute any equation, you will get same answer. Okay. Here don't get confusion. I need to substitute in equation 1 or else I need to substitute in equation 2. No, you can substitute to any equation. You will get same answer. Equation 2 is 106 is equals to a plus 49d. 106 is equals to a plus 49. What is the value of d? d is 2. Substitute here. So 106 is equals to a plus 49 2s are. 2 9s are 18. 1 carry, yes, 98. 106 minus 98, which is equals to a. Then 106 minus 98, how much you will get? 8 is equals to a. Then value of a is 8. Yes, you got the values. A is 8 and d is equals to 2. Now find out A19. A19 is question mark. Sorry, A29 is question mark. A29 is equals to a plus 29 minus 1 is 28d. The value of a is 8 plus 28 into d value is 2. So 8 plus 28 2s are. 28 2s are 56. 56 plus 8 is 64. Then what is the value of A29? A29 is 64. I hope all of you understood this one. Okay. Next, 9th question. If the third and the 9th term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? Which term, okay, which term n is equals to question mark? AP is 0, means an is equals to 0 the given. You need to find out which term n is equals to question mark. Yes, you know the formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, here, look here, only you know the value of an. An is 0 is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. You need to find out the value of n. Is it right? You need to find out the value of n. N is question mark. But here also, you don't know the value of a. You don't know the value of d. Is it right? This is question mark. So That's why first you need to find out the value of A and D, then substitute to this equation, you will get the value of N. How will you find out A and D? I'm using third term and ninth term of an APs are 4 and -8 respectively. Yes, write down this one. Third term is 4 and A9, ninth term is -8. Using these two results, I'm finding the value of A and D. Okay, A3 is equals to A plus N. 3 minus 1 is 2D. The value of A3 is 4. 4 is equals to A plus 2D. I call this as equation 1. Next, A9. A9 is equals to A plus 9 minus 1 is 8D. A9 is -8 is equals to A plus 8D. I call this as equation 2. By using equation 1 and 2, and find out the value of A and D. Okay. So your 4 is equals to A plus 2D minus 8 is equals to A plus 8D. So your minus is there. So here it will become plus. Your minus, your plus is there. It will become minus. The next step, 4 plus 8 is 12 is equals to plus A minus A get cancelled. 2D minus 8D is minus 6D. You will get D is equals to 12 divided by minus 6. Yes, simplify this one. 6 ones are 6 twos are. Yes, D is equals to, you will get minus 2. Here minus is there. So D is equals to minus 2. Now find out the value of A. Substitute D is equals to minus 2 in equation 1. Equation 1 is 4 is equals to A plus 2D. 4 is equals to A plus 2 into D value is minus 2. 4 is equals to A plus into minus, minus 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 4 is equals to A. A is equals to 4 plus 4 is 8. Yes, you got A is equals to 8. D is equals to minus 2. Now, what I will do, because you need to find out nth term, is it right? N is equals to question mark. I am taking this equation. Okay, so AN is equals to 0, right? AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN the given, which term of the AP is 0? AN is 0 is equals to A value is 8 plus N minus 1 into D value is minus 2. So here plus 8 I am taking to left hand side, it will become minus 8. 0 minus 8 is equals to N minus 1 into minus 2. 0 minus 8 is minus 8 is equals to N minus 1 into minus 2. In next step, N minus 1 is equals to minus 8 divided by minus 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are. Minus minus get cancelled. Then what is the value of N minus 1? N minus 1 is equals to 4. Then N is equals to 4 plus 1, which is equals to 5. So the value of N is equals to how much? 5. What is the question? Which term of the AP is 0? Yes. Yes, fifth term. Write it in word. Yes, fifth term of an AP is 0. I hope all of you understood this. Okay, using this equation A3 and A9 and find out the value of A and D, then substitute to the formula and you will get the value of N. Very simple question. Okay. Next, last question, 10th question. Here, what is the question? 17th term of an AP exceeds means what? Plus, just, is it right? it exceeds means more, okay? 70th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find out the common difference. Common difference, here first I will write down A17, 70th term of AP exceeds means more, plus 10th term A10 by 7. This is the equation, okay? A17 is equals to A10 plus 7. Find the common difference. You need to find out the value of D is equals to question mark. First write down the given thing. A17 is equals to A10 plus 7. Yes, you know the formula AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Directly, I will write here A plus 17 minus 1 is 16D is equals to A10 means A plus 10 minus 1 is 9D plus 7. Okay. So here A plus 16D, I am taking these two equations, two terms to left hand side. It will become minus A minus 9D is equals to 7. Plus A minus A get cancelled. 16D, sorry, this one is D, okay? 16D minus 9D is equals to 7. 16D minus 9D is 7D is equals to 7. D is equals to 7 by 7. 7 get cancelled. You will get D is equals to 1. Yes, what is the common difference? Difference D is equals to 1. I hope all of you understood this question number 4 to 10. In upcoming section, I will continue from question number 11. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you all.